Thanks so much for joining me. In this week's video, I want to talk to you about how to reverse the sales process. You know, in past years, the formula to convert a prospect into a client involved a lot of networking, countless meetings, and endless phone calls. Now, years passed between maybe your first meeting and enrolling them as a client into your programs. But what has also happened was that with each passing day, you may be feeling like you're not doing enough, or maybe your approach becomes more and more persistent, and you suddenly find yourself in a pursuit mode rather than having your prospects choose you. Well, there's two reasons why you might find yourself in pursuit mode rather than having them choose you. Number one, you spend too much time talking to people who are not your ideal client. So if you're saying things like, hey, I work with anybody who, hoping that it's going to attract somebody, well, you're likely talking to a bunch of people who would never buy from you. You must be exact to attract your ideal client. And number two, consumer behavior has changed. But many business owners still use very outdated selling processes that simply don't work anymore. The one thing that hasn't changed in converting a prospect to a client is building relationships. Now, what has changed is that technology can help you build relationships and trust, but very few business owners are maximizing it to pre-qualify, pre-educate, and even engage their prospects. For example, entrepreneurs often create a website and then they call it a day. Well, unfortunately, they build a website that does nothing to pre-qualify their prospect and also capture that prospect's information so that they can keep in touch with them, keep in touch, add continuous value, and cultivate that relationship. Most importantly, they don't have a system that collects continuous data from their prospects. And so here's how it plays out. Many consultants routinely try to sell that high-priced option the first time that they meet with somebody. Well, when you do this, it's like asking your prospect to marry you on the first date. So you end up going into that pursuit mode. A better way to get a sale is to reverse the sales process by having a system that, number one, asks your prospect what is most important to them. Now, many consultants fail to close on sales because they often push programs that they developed based on what they think their prospect wants. Instead, find out from your prospect first what is most important to them. This information, in turn, will help you to create programs and services that your prospects actually want rather than what you think that they want. And number two, you want your systems to pre-educate your prospects. Too often, a consultant will dump on their prospect in an initial conversation only to overwhelm them. Consultants often do this because they want to convert that prospect to a client the first time that they sit down with somebody. Instead, before your initial conversation, send your prospect a questionnaire. The questionnaire that they can complete prior to a more in-depth session with you. It's also your opportunity to find out what's most important to them, or as well as their biggest frustration, maybe their biggest problem or their struggle. And you want to use your existing resources or systems. So request that they review your website where they can read up on you, testimonials from your clients, and get their frequently asked questions answered. Now, when one of my clients created his pre-qualification systems, he shaved up to 60 minutes per person off of his initial meeting time and closed on more sales. Prospects who were not ready but wanted to stay connected then did so through his keep in touch systems. He had an opt-in system. Additionally, the prospects who were not really serious about moving ahead opted out before even meeting with him, helping save time, effort, and money to everyone that was involved. Finally, number three, you want to have systems that keeps your prospects engaged. There are many ways to keep your prospects engaged. That might include a permission-based opt-in e-newsletter, maybe a blog, even through social media. But make sure when you use one of these systems, you use them with regularity, consistency, and always add continuous value to your prospects. Now, when you set up systems that collect market data, as well as pre-qualify and pre-educate your prospects, you'll begin to reverse the sales process. So your prospects choose you instead of you chasing after them. I'm Lisa Menini, and until next week, create a great life. Bye now.